All right, we're gonna replace this AdBlue heating element. We're gonna pop this thing out without taking the bumper out. I'm gonna show you the fastest, easiest way to do it.
So you said you're going to the back. What are you disconnecting?
These are all the wiring harnesses for it.
Located up in here.
The actual AdBlue line. Looks like someone's been here already. Get the harnesses freed up.
What size?
313s holding it in.
313s?
Yeah. Want to keep pressure on it.
Keep pressure on it and just loosen them because it's going to drop, right?
Oh, yeah. Wiggle her down. We have the pump. We have the level sensor with combination heater unit. That's what we're going to replace. Start by disconnecting the pump.
The level unit itself?
Yeah, with the heater element.
Okay. Does it call for bumper removal?
Yeah. Three 4mm Allens. You're going to want to locate the arrow on top right here. The arrow has to fall in between these two lines right here.
Okay. That arrow, those two lines?
Yep. If it's not, you'll break the nipple off the pump when you put it back in. New pair of nippers. Cut that out, me messing fucking doing that. Right?
Yep. Cut that.
Alright, get your two harnesses freed from there. There is a special tool on this you can use. I prefer to use just a flathead and a hammer.
What does the tool look like? Oh, okay.
Alright, so when you pop this up, just keep an eye kind of on the orientation. See the main filler valves going this way. Counterclockwise, quarter turn, free it up. It's got locks that lock it into the base. Just clean your area up a little bit. Gasket. Right here.
The new pump.
You want to put it in there. You gotta find the locks for it. Lock it in, turn it clockwise. You'll hear a click. Get your seal all seated. And here's the important part with the arrow right here. Make sure that arrow gets right in the middle.
That arrow right there.
mess with it till it goes on easy. Snug her up. This one, I see this a lot. These come with a breather and a filter. New one comes with them. No one put this one on. Put the breather on.
Really? It's always missing usually?
People don't put it on, yeah. Okay. We have a new seal here. Put a new seal on this little guy here.
The harness?
Route the harness. No need to go excessively tight with these.
You're just tidying up all the lines?
Yep.
What size?
4 Allen. I don't know what this is here for, but I'm gonna leave it. It's on there. All right, turn that out of the way.
Might snap into the car maybe? No?
Cutting this off. I'll see.
Mount?
It's a mount. It's just popped out. Alright. If you're alone, you want to keep whatever you're going to insert them back in with handy.
Yep. Keep them closed. Mounted. Now we just plug in all the harnesses. This whole AdBlue is an afterthought, right? Like they added this to the car?
No, this car came with it.
Oh. That's what she looks like. screws in the fender. That just gave you a little more room.
Gives you a tiny bit of flex.
Tiny bit of flex. And it saves you from pulling the bumper. Don't forget to put that little pop screw right there.